What's coming will not prepare you. There are huge events going on around XRP Ripple that could make XRP coin hit its all-time high this year. That's really cool. On the other hand, why are you so excited? That video is very important for people who own XRP. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene. According to a recent speech by a Forbes writer, the cryptocurrency market is getting ready for a big event, and digital assets like Bitcoin and XRP are likely to play a big part. While recognizing that XRP and Bitcoin have done very well, the Forbes writer says that a lot of money is about to flood into the cryptocurrency market. The expected rise in Bitcoin depends on the long-awaited approval of the Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund, according to the information that was made public. The president of the New York Stock Exchange said this about the Bitcoin ETF: with a Bitcoin ETF, money will flood into the industry. It's really simple to get. A lot of people believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a wonderful idea. It keeps money safe. For those of you who don't know what ETF stands for, I'll quickly explain it. A Bitcoin exchange traded fund is a type of money that changes value based on the price of Bitcoin. It lets people put money into Bitcoin without having to buy and store it themselves. You can buy and sell ETFs on regular stock markets, just like you would any other kind of stock. Their job is to make it safe and easy for people to trade in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is owned by the ETF, and its value changes with the price of Bitcoin on the market. This setup lets investors share in the gains or losses of Bitcoin without having to deal with all the problems that come with handling Bitcoin directly. It's a big deal in the financial world when Bitcoin ETFs are accepted and hit the market. It could get more big investors and normal people to put money into cryptocurrencies. In this way, Bitcoin ETFs act as a link between the real world of money and the world of cryptocurrencies. They make it easier for people who don't know much about crypto to invest in Bitcoin in a way that is easier for them to understand and is controlled. Different kinds of buyers might be more interested in this because it makes it easier for more people to get to. BlackRock's recent application for a Bitcoin spot ETF has made the market's positive outlook even stronger. The head of the New York Stock Exchange agrees with this view. According to the Forbes writer, BlackRock's filing caused Wall Street to rush to start a Bitcoin fund. With about $9 trillion in assets under management, BlackRock is a big company that helps a lot of other people and groups handle their money. For example, BlackRock helps people save for retirement and helps big businesses invest their money. They do this by making and taking care of financial funds that buy stocks and other things, bonds, and other assets to help the money they're in charge of grow. Imagine them as a huge business that helps other people and groups put their money to good use. It's interesting to see how excited and sure BlackRock is about Bitcoin ETF. Some say that BlackRock is buying Bitcoin without anyone knowing. This fits with how sure and excited they are about Bitcoin ETF being accepted. Do not believe me? This could make you change your mind. The owner of a mysterious wallet has bought over 11,000 Bitcoins worth about $400 million since November 10th. This makes them the 74th biggest BTC holder. Online rumors suggest a possible link to one of several huge U.S. asset management firms that are trying to get regulatory approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF. But it's still not clear if this kind of front-running is okay. No matter what, if a spot ETF is passed, to keep up with possible demand, fund managers will need to hold and protect a large amount of Bitcoin. How do you feel about that? If BlackRock is buying Bitcoin behind the scenes, do you believe it? Write below and tell me what you think. Now, there may be some people who are wondering what the connection is between XRP and BlackRock buying Bitcoin since the Bitcoin ETF will eventually be approved. I will explain why XRP ETF is important. Almost everyone already knows for sure that the Bitcoin ETF will be approved. Now, what does this mean for alternative coins? If Bitcoin is confirmed, will other cryptocurrencies start to show up on the ETF too? If Bitcoin is accepted by the ETF, will it have a big effect on the cryptocurrency world? This could be very big for XRP. XRP is a digital payment protocol. Ripple is best at making cross-border transfers quick and easy. Ripple is cool because it's not like other cryptocurrencies in some ways. It can quickly handle a lot of activities. Agrees on deals in a unique way, and there will only ever be 100 billion XRP coins. This means that their value may rise over time. Ripple's work with big businesses and banks is one of the things that makes XRP unique. This is different from many other cryptocurrencies, which are more focused on individual users. XRP stands out from other coins because it is linked to large companies. It would be great if there was an XRP ETF. Some big changes might happen because of it. Regular investors would find it easy to put money into XRP if there was an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. This could make more people, even big businesses, want to invest in XRP. The XRP market might be busier if there's an XRP ETF, since ETFs are traded on normal stock exchanges. People who are excited about an XRP ETF and want to put money into it. The price of XRP might go up, at least for a short time, if more people want to buy it. The government would have to make sure that an XRP ETF is fair and safe for buyers before it could happen. An XRP ETF would show that XRP is becoming more accepted in traditional financial markets. This could make cryptocurrencies look like a safer way to trade. If XRP is part of a controlled investment like an ETF, investors may feel better about it as an investment. Big financial businesses may be more interested in working with and investing in Ripple, the company behind XRP, if the XRP ETF does well. An XRP ETF could make it easier for different types of buyers to get into XRP, which could change how people think about it as an investment. The head of the New York Stock Exchange also mentioned Coinbase, a major cryptocurrency exchange, and their researchers. They think that the upcoming rise in Bitcoin ETFs could make it easy for the US wealth management industry, which is worth over $48 trillion, to enter the cryptocurrency market on a large scale. A Forbes contributor also talked about good news for crypto traders. Grayscale, the biggest crypto asset manager in terms of assets under control, won a court case against the US government. The court told the SEC to think again about Grayscale's plan to change into a Bitcoin spot ETF. Even though most people are optimistic, a Forbes contributor said that some market watchers are cautious about what a Bitcoin ETF might mean. The CEO of one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges was skeptical. He said, "Many people are looking forward to the quick approval and enthusiastic launches of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, but we think the actual adoption will be more gradual." Still, the CEO of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange thinks that approving a Bitcoin ETF could lead to more people wanting to buy Bitcoin, which would drive up prices and change the public's view of Bitcoin from something that might be bad to something that might be good. Speeding up widespread adoption. Finally, as the value of Bitcoin rises after a Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, it is expected that the value of other digital assets, such as XRP, will also rise. What do you think about that? Do you think there will be an XRP ETF? Write what you think in the box below.